I chose 90 for life when I was approached by a friend, and he indicated, knowing all the problems I have, being a 58-year-old man, he knew that I had back problems and he knew I had knee problems, being a former athlete, and he just wanted me to have a better quality of life and possibly beat him more when we played golf because that was affecting my golf game. What I did was I listened to him and understood that 90 for life is not anything special. That's some special formula or anything like that. It's just the 90 basic vitamins and minerals you need in your body in order for your body to rebuild itself. That's information. That's really the theory that Dr. Wallach has. And after listening to the information that Dr. Wallach has delivered about how important it is to replenish your body, I took the challenge. I wrote down all of my aches and pains, and then after about 60 days of being on the 90 for life basic routine, I assessed them and found out that several of the things had gone away. I had better feeling in my toes, different things that were just small nagging things related to the diabetes or the high blood pressure and other kind of challenges I have. And so what I found is that changed. The things that weren't removed were improved, where the pains weren't as bad, and the general energy I had in my body gave me the ability to move around and challenge myself with some of the exercise that I haven't been able to do recently because of my deteriorating body. So if there's one thing I need to tell you today that you should understand is that if you want to be healthy, you have to make a choice. And if you want to be healthy just like me, you need to come in and be a part of 90 for life. We want you to be healthy. Thank you very much.